At that point, it was already over. It was already checkmate from FCAP.
It's really the new version of the Lord Dance, right, that we're
Yeah.
seeing. And I'm glad you brought it up because the little pokes that happened there was the
Oh,
reason
Echo,
they
Echo
were
game 2,
taking
Echo
so
game
much
2.
Because, again,
May,
with all
may tayong
Liquid's
1-5.
being-
Echo game 2, Echo game 2.
Liquid Echo, they're one of the
Link
teams
talaga
that-
meta ngayon.
I would say the only
Last
team
lot na ni
in the world
Moms
that
to.
can actually fight with lower HP bars with less
Oh my
resources.
God.
and
Maris
still come out on
broke
top. So
up.
any little victory you
Oh,
can find
B,
in the
wala
post,
na si
staying
Maris
like
tsaka
you
si
said,
ano,
a lot of these
kakako-
feigns happening
nag-IGN
is
kasi
what you
tayo
guys
eh.
expect from
Legit?
Falcon City,
Oh,
right?
close
That's
your
their
eyes.
adjustment
Yeah.
to
Wala
after
si
their
Maries,
4-0
tsaka
in
si
the
Rick.
NPL
Ano
Grand Finals.
So based on what we saw just now,
Rico
let's talk
Blanco.
about the evolution
Si
of
Rico
the Lord Dance,
Blanco?
where before this, you're kind of baiting
Oh my
them,
God,
inviting
legit.
the
Wala na
opposing
sila.
team to actually come into your
Hindi na ako
box, into your
updated. Hindi kasi
circle,
ako
so that you
nagpe-Facebook
have
eh.
the,
Maris
a better circle of
Bakal
influence. But now, it's just
announces
like,
break
this
up
is
with Rico
our place,
Blanco.
don't enter.
Close your
Legit.
eyes. Dry
Baka
your
dahil kay ano to ha,
Everyone
kay
wants
kay
to come
Eat,
in,
sino
we're
ba
gonna
yung
put you down
collab
so
niya sa
low, and
Netflix?
that's the first place.
Sino?
Si Etchas?
Sino, si Maris?
Oo, anong tawagan nila?
Resources that they're gonna be using. In fact, they didn't
Si
have their
Etchas?
ultimates, right?
Kaka-close your eyes
Obviously,
mo yan eh.
Eh, si Snoop.
Like a non-ultimate because it's the refreshes.
Yeah.
Every 12 or 10 seconds in the mid game,
Close
you have
your
your tempo up. And
Sa sobrang ano,
a Julian
sa
is
sobrang lagi ko nakikita si Rico yan sa newsfeed ko. Akala ko si Rico
just
yun.
a focus at the end.
I mean, with that being said, we're gonna continue our
Kaya nagdalawang isip ako sabihin yung Rico.
our Sony MVP.
Kasi lagi si Rico yan yung nasa newsfeed ko lately.
Layer
So
bunker.
let's talk about the
Hindi involved si Snoop, ma'am. Ano daw reason? Si Snoop Dogg.
Well, firstly, for the jungle, the fact that the assassins, has been
Oh my
so
God.
much
Ano daw
fun
reason? Ano
because
nakalagay na
there's
reason
so
doon, Wais?
mobile on the map. The gold issue that we had before.
Ba yan? Send mo nga sa akin, ako
just get
magbabasa.
way more gold, XP laners get
Hindi ka
way
marunong
more XP. You're
makichismis.
kind of been placed in a position of utility. Now it's very different.